You are watching Zubair's World. This pool area is dead empty. You know, sometimes it feels like that this resort belongs to me and that this is just a big mansion or a big village that belongs to me with nobody inside. Look at this. It's like Chernobyl, a luxury Chernobyl place with 0 tourists, and it's still well maintained. And everything is on, you see, all the electricity is on, the lights, the water is running. Yeah, I'm the only guest here in this place, so everything is on just so I can swim wherever I want. This is just insane. Look at these chairs. They're half in the water for people who like to sit with their ass in the water to get a wet ass. Oh, and look at this infinity pool. This is beautiful. So there is this bar here in the middle, or should I say a small lounge or something in the middle of the pool. This is beautiful. Look at this.
The next day.
Good morning, guys. It's 7 o'clock in the morning. The sun just got up. And let's see the view from this side. Oh, look. It's still beautiful. It's still empty. It's still Corona time. And no one is allowed to be on a beach or outside. So I'm going to show you guys how it's like to be the only one in a multi-million or billion resort here in Sint Maarten where nobody's inside. Only me. On the left, on the right. Wow. Look at this, the water sport activities, the beautiful beach. It's such a shame that nobody's here. It's such a shame that I'm the only one in this resort. Look at this. This place is totally empty. Look at this. This whole beach all for myself. And as you can see, the resort is empty. It's totally empty. This is insane, man. So this is the empty pool area. We call this the Corona pool. And normally you will have a big fight over who's getting the beds in the morning. But now, where are the people to lay on the beds? And there is another pool above the waterfall, as you can see. And this, ladies and gentlemen, is how it's like to be the only one in a resort in Sint Maarten, or Sint Maarten, or Sint Maarten, because this island is divided in two. You have a Dutch side and you have a French side, but I'm living here in the Dutch side and they call it Sint Maarten, and in English it's Sint Maarten. And now I'm walking to the sun. The sun is right over there. This is beautiful. Look at this. Ah, I didn't make it. So here you are, guys. This is the other side of the resort. The beach is right over there, But there is also an ocean on this side, and these are the houses of the resort, of this empty resort, this Corona resort. How is this even possible? How is this even possible, guys? The resort that I'm in is called DV Little Bay Resort here in Sint Maarten, and I will recommend everybody to come to this resort because it's big. It's not cheap, but it's okay. It's not expensive. They have a lot of swimming pools. The food is good, but the most important thing is the location. The location, guys. Look at this place. Now it's going up in a hill. At the other side of these houses you have the beach. On this side you have the ocean too. You have this beautiful mountain here in front of me, and I'm gonna show you guys what you can find on this resort, because this resort is beautiful. So let's go. Jump! So right over here we have a hill that we have to climb. I'll show you. This reminds me of San Francisco. Climb. Whoa. So now we're going to the infinity pool. Who's gonna be in the pool during the Corona time? Nobody is in this resort. This is crazy. Here it is. Welcome to the infinity pool. But first, I'm showing you where the water of the infinity pool comes from. It comes from all over there, and it goes down here, up to this place. Holy moly, guys. Do you see my GoPro over there? Well, my battery is dead. So I was swimming a little bit and I saw something from my eye corner, and I was like, what the hell is that? So I jumped out of the water, grabbed my phone, and now I'm going to show you guys what I saw. This is crazy. We have dinosaurs chilling in the water, and he was chilling in the water. But now he climbed up a rock, and he's my best friend. Ladies and gentlemen, I am going to announce to you my best friend on this island. And here he is. And this is not a statue, people. This is a real iguana. Hello, guy. What's going on? Move a little bit. This one is big. Bye-bye, infinity pool. Ooh, there's a pelican over there. Did you see it? It's a big one. Now the best view of this place is right now. I'm gonna turn the camera in 3, 2, 1. Here we go. We are on the other side of the island, or the other side of the resort, and we have other pools on this side because this resort is big. They can house a lot of tourists here, so if they have a lot of tourists, they must have a lot of pools also. These are the cabanas where you can hang out. Here's some sunbeds over here. This is the infinity pool. This is the second infinity pool, because the other one is located on top of that mountain over there. I showed you guys that one already. So this is the jacuzzi. And there are some other pools and a, how do you call this? A water bar, a pool bar. And as you can see, also on this place, not a single tourist. Not a single tourist. How is this even possible? Oh. I'm sweating like hell because the sun is shining. Let's go down. So these sunbeds are half or partially in the water. So if you sit on these chairs, you'll get a wet ass. So now we are walking through the wet ass area. And then we get to the midsection. And this is the midsection. You can put a, this is a barbecue area. If you pull this thing off, you'll see a barbecue, and you can barbecue with all of your friends, like what I'm doing right now. I'm gonna barbecue with all of my friends. Who wants to be my friend so we can barbecue? This is still the wet ass area. And this is the pool bar. This is beautiful. You can order all the drinks. The bartender is right over there. Not. If I want some drinks, I have to get it myself. If I want food, I have to get it myself. If I want to get my room cleaned, I have to wait for 1 week, because the only cleaner on this island here comes once a week to clean my room, because yeah, I'm the only one in this resort, so they are not cleaning the rooms every day. This is the place where the bartender works. This place is way too beautiful to be here all by myself. And a lot of people ask me, why are you traveling all by yourself? Isn't that boring? Well, sometimes it's boring, but I'm doing this for like 12 years and I'm used to it. And I actually can have fun all by myself. And I'm having fun all by myself. Because if I don't have fun, and if I'm not enjoying this travel life, what I'm doing, then why would I travel again and again and again? No, this life is made for me. So now you have seen all the pools on this resort. You have this big pool with the other pools around it. You have the other pool with the waterfall stuff that I showed you already. And you have the smaller infinity pool. So which pool did you like? And which pool do you think I am going to swim in? Let's go. This is amazing.